Hi, I'm Dennis Kleinert.
And I'm Dan Kapanke.
Over the past year, most all of us at one time or another, and probably more than once, have listened to some political candidate or some advocate explain that this is the most critical election in the history of our nation. And I believe that is true. But we have had many very important elections over the centuries, facing contentious issues and perilous challenges. And throughout our history, it has been important to all sides that voters understand the issues at hand. Perhaps if more voters and more citizens through the years, if they had had the opportunity, had taken the time to try and understand the issues and listen to the candidates and the leaders of their day, well, perhaps things might have been less difficult today. Who knows? But we know this. Today, more than any time in our history, it is much easier to get the facts, to learn about the issues, and to listen. And at Liberty Reigns, we want to provide you with those opportunities.
So we invite you to join us for the Liberty Reigns November Leadership Forum. And I'm very pleased to announce that Mr. Todd Berry, President of the Wisconsin Taxpayers Alliance, will be our featured speaker. Founded in 1932, the Wisconsin Taxpayers Alliance is the state's oldest and most respected nonpartisan research organization. Their goal, like ours at Liberty Reigns, is to improve voter education and issue awareness. Mr. Berry holds bachelor and doctoral degrees from UW-Madison, as well as a master's degree from Harvard University and the University of Chicago Graduate School of Business. We are very happy to have Mr. Berry as our guest for the Leadership Luncheon, and we look forward to his remarks and the insight that his presentations reveal. And we hope you will join us too at 11:30 a.m. at the Stony Creek Inn in Unalaska, off I-90 and Highway 16. That's November 16th. Plan to attend. You'll be glad you did.
For more information, go to libertyreigns.org. Thank you for listening, and God bless.